Okay, I've made the little acoustic radar thanks to a little bit of balsa wood and a hot glue gun, and as you can see it's scanning away, and because it's acoustic it doesn't care if it's stuck upside down or not, because sound is sound. So, and I think it's pretty much level, and here we are running the same rig on the what's it called, an R3 or something, don't remember, but either way it's running, and as you can see it's scanning sort of across my keyboard, computer monitor, mouse, and a little bit of hand cleaner, a little hand cleaner bottle I've stuck in front, and this is the result. It's a bit of keyboard, a bit further away monitor, mouse, and the bottle of hand cleaner. And as you see, it's actually giving me the distance of each item. Unless it's out of range, it's giving me the angle and if something's in range or not. Nice little project. I might put the code in there as well. I know you can Google search it and find the website and everything else, but you know, another reference to it won't be bad. Good stuff, hot glue gun. Alright, bye.